Why don't you guys live together? Why do you look at me like that? We're totally matching. Do you want to do my intro for me? What's your intro? Do my intro for me. I don't remember. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. You gotta thank the people. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, and following all my friends down in the description box. Oh my gosh. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy watching this vlog. Guys, it's Christmas. I just woke up and I really want to make some cinnamon rolls. So I'm gonna go do that. Myself a cup of joe and just hang out. I forgot to leave cookies out for Santa. It's okay. Okay, let's go make some cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon. Let's go make some cinnamon rolls. Yeah. Okay, got the cinnamon rolls. Got the pan. Now we're gonna have to make them. All right, my rolls are done.
Yippee!
I freaking knew! That's what. What is this? I know exactly what this is. Yeah. I also do need like funniest thing I've ever gotten. Woo! Oh yes!
Just a tea. More raps? Whoa. This is actually fire. Actually good.
3 days later.
Focus, please. So Lear and I are on our way to go get some food. Tell the people where we're going. Are we going to McDonald's? Yes. We are on our way to get some McDoodles. Kind of want some nugs with some ranch and some sweet and sour. Maybe a little bit barbecue sauce. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh, baby.
Oh yeah. Here's. Oh, that is crispy. That is crispy. Do you hear that? That's when you know it's crispy. I posted a little Q&A on Instagram the other day, telling everybody to ask us some questions, a little life update. So let's see what we get. Question number 1, favorite movie? A Walk to Remember with Mandy Moore. Okay. Mine's the Titanic.
What?
Is it? No, you know what my current favorite movie is? The Cinderella Story with Hilary Duff. That's a good one. I watched that a lot. And I do have a second favorite movie. The movie How to Be Single with Dakota Johnson. So good. That one's so actually funny. Really funny. Yeah, really, really funny. Go watch it. Why don't you guys live together?
Busted.
Why do you look at me like that? We just fought a lot. Like any sisters do. Oh, so we're just like ready to like have our own places. Yeah. We've lived together for all our lives. Yeah. We live literally 2 minutes from each other. So it works. So close. It was time to grow up, you know? Celeb crush?
I don't really have a celeb
I
crush.
don't either. I do be liking Tom Holland. He be looking good.
Yeah, Tom Holland's cute.
I just don't. Oh, I'm on the show Elite on Netflix. Patrick, Samuel, Guzman, just all of them. I want them all. Even the girls. So pretty.
Okay.
Like, why do they all look like that? Ugh.
Favorite Why Don't We song was for Lyra.
Unbelievable. I have that as Corbin's ringtone.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, hard to hear, folks.
Are you actually 29?
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Born December 16th, 1993, 9:15 p.m., 9:25 p.m. 9:17, 9:27.
Oh, we're gonna get technical like that? That's what Mom said.
She was lying to us all of our lives by 2 minutes. I'm gonna be giving Regina Clark a phone call.
What would you name your kids if you both had kids at the same time?
So you have a list? I'll give you one name.
Can I look at it?
Yeah. These are the girls and these are the boys.
How do you pronounce that?
Oh.
That's like 20 letters in that name.
So I'll give you one. Kind of sounds like Chelsea's name, Amara, but it's spelled A-M-A-R-A, which I think is really good.
People are gonna butcher that name.
Don't put that in.
I'm definitely putting that in. Ultimate favorite Christmas movie? The Grinch.
Elf.
I just watched that.
Current favorite makeup product?
I like my Hourglass bronzer palette volume 3.
Oh, I just got these like She Glam cream blush and bronzers, and they're so good, and they're really, really affordable. Like the bronzer and blush is kind of like $45 Charlotte Tilbury.
Have you ever felt your twin's pain?
No, really.
Did you feel that?
No. Hold on. Okay, name 3 to 5 favorite things about the other twin. You can name 3 things.
My favorite things about you?
Yeah. Don't think too hard.
I can name 5 right now. You always bring me McDonald's. I really like your hair. You make me laugh.
You always get me coffee. You always pick me up and drive.
The people can't hear you. You gotta speak louder.
You always bring me coffee. I like that you always pick me up, and you always give me clothes. You call me all the time to check up on me, which is really nice because I sometimes forget to do that.
You give me coffee too.
You haven't bought me a Christmas present yet. Have you got me a Christmas present yet?
No, I don't know what you want.
I don't know what you want.
Let's go to the mall then.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, this Q&A is officially over. We're gonna go to the mall, get each other Christmas presents, and then we'll let you know what we get each other.
How about that?
Okay, love you. Bye.
JK on the mall. We got there, saw how many cars there were, and left so quickly. So we said no. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching my vlog. Also, thank you guys for still being here, liking, commenting, subscribing. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas, Hanukkah. Let's just get ready for 2023. Who's ready? Not me. Just kidding. I am ready. I guess until the next vlog. Bye.